What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to continue to rebuild our wrecked 2022 Tesla Model 3 long range. In the last video we took a look at this. This is all the carnage there. You can see we had broken control arms, we had broken tie rods, we had everything was just destroyed. The axle, the old axle it was snapped in half. Now in this video, we're gonna rebuild the suspension here. I already swapped in the axle and the tie rods, inner and outer, so this is good to go. I also did make a fix on the brake line. It was broken right there, right about there. And yeah, we're just gonna install everything. I have a new strut, and we're gonna install the upper control arm, the lower control arms, and we're gonna put it all back together, then connect the caliper to the brake hose, and then we're going to bleed the brakes, and hopefully everything goes together smoothly. Okay, so let's look at everything we have. I did buy some stuff new and some stuff are used. I got the rotor new, the axle new, the tie rod new, but the rest of the stuff, and this strut is new, it's Bilstein, but the rest of the stuff is used in good condition. Now we have the strut and the upper control arm are going to go on the top bracket before it goes in, and then after that we can put in the lower control arms, and then the spindle, and then the rotor. Of course the bearing is going to be on the spindle when it goes in, and then the rotor, and then the brake caliper, and then we're going to have to bleed the brakes. Now this is the sequence that things are going to be going in, so we're going to take a look at it step by step and watch this become complete, and then we can install the wheel and actually drive the car around. So with that being said, we're going to get to work, and then first thing, we're going to grab this bracket, install the upper control arm on it, and then the strut on it as well, and then the bracket is going to go in as a whole to the car. Okay, and there we go. We have the bracket with the strut and the upper control arms both installed on it. Now this is a complete assembly. It goes up in here with these 4-bolt 213s and 215s, and it will be mounted securely to the car, and then we can move on to installing the lower control arms. Okay, and there we go. Check this out. That's how the strut assembly with the upper control arm looks in there. As you can see, this still can move, it's not tight. And I also got the lower control arms in, bolted to the strut. Everything's looking good. I think she is coming along very, very nicely. What I have to do is I have to bolt the bearing onto the knuckle, and then the whole knuckle is going to go onto the car. Today is the day that we put the Tesla back together. I have the painted parts here ready to go. I painted these myself. Look how they came out. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at this. You can see my reflection there. Today is the day we put the Tesla all back together. So the fender's going on first, then the headlight, and then the front bumper, and then this thing's gonna be looking amazing in no time. So let's get to work. And check this out. Look how nice that is. It is done, complete. The bumper looks fantastic. All the body lines are crisp. It is just wonderful. Came out super nice. Everything went together very nicely, and it looks fantastic. For a home paint job, this is just incredible. Incredible. In the front, look at these body lines. So good. Look at this paint job. This is a home paint job. Can you believe that? Wow. This bumper, that fender, looks amazing. The whole thing is 100% factory looking. Fantastic. So, this is the Tesla rebuild. Thanks for watching. Even if you make mistakes, you just try and fix them again. Cheers.